Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. My name is Mary and today I'm going to show you how to dress up a gift card, giving it away right to your recipient, to your family, friends, and loved ones. Instead of just giving it like this, let me show you a different way. This is for the purse lovers, those who like cutesy stuff. I sure truly do. This is a cute purse, has a handle, closed by Velcro, and then you pop it open and the gift card pops open, and it pops open to the gift card. You could put your sentiment here, put something here if you want to, but it's easily just take it out and then put it back in. So this is a single gift card holder. This one, I had college students in mind, or people who like to travel, right? Got a cute little bow, 3D bow, and then you open it up and it holds a gift card, one single gift card holder. So instead of sending or giving just the gift card this way, you can dress it up and really make it pretty and cute. Another one is this one here, and I have it backwards, but if you're going to give a gift card in a different way, right? Pop it open and it pops open this way. Put it stamped a little gift for you with your sentiment here, 3D, right? So take it out, put in the gift card, and it's just very cute. The last single gift card holder is this one here. This is for a birthday one, but it's stamped happy as a birthday to you. Open it up and pop out your gift card. Now I'll be talking about to gift multiple gift cards, right? Not just one, but multiple. And people tend to do multiple gift cards for their college kids, for loved ones, you know, maybe your sister, your brothers who's away from you, or family who's away from you, or in a different location, right? And so you could gift as many as you can afford, really. Or if you want to give them one for each month, you know, take them, pick 12 different restaurants or whatever it may be. This one I have 8 right here, but this one here, cute little bag, right? Little handle, nice stitching on it, cute little scallops here. Right, so again, you can do one and put candy or whatever, lip balm, little makeup, whatever that fits in this little thing. Or you could do 8. This is 8 gift cards here, but definitely can fit more. So you're not limited. You can put chocolate in here. Great for teacher gifts, right? Put chocolate and a gift card. You know, teachers gotta, I'm sure they'll appreciate just being recognized and receiving a gift from them, from you guys. Then I have this little cute little gift bag, right? A little shopping bag. I put a little card in there, and then again, you can put one, which looks like that, or you could put 8. I think this will fit about 10. So you could see, sorry, out of view, but you could see it fits. Just a cute way to present your gift card. Here I have a clutch. I like the little design, the scallop, right? It's so pretty. And then I stamped it out all the way through, so it wraps all the way around. And I did a closure, a Velcro closure again, and then opens up, right? And testing it again with the 8 gift cards. 8 gift cards, no problem, lots of room. Another cute little bag, right? This one, the stamp is from the greeting farm. Just cute. I only decorated just the one side because I felt like she deserves some, you know, some recognition. And then it's a pretty spacious, lots of room in here. And I'll put my 8 in here. lots of room, right? So again, lip balm, little makeup, even a hand sanitizer, a flatter one that you can purchase. Just anything that really you decide could fit in here. I do tend to make my boxes or my cards, my 3D projects with 110 pounds, so it's nice and sturdy, so it doesn't fall apart. And lastly, this one is a cute little box here that you could definitely put candies in here. It self-closes. You just flip it open and then opens up just like a box, right? And it's empty right now, but let's just say we'll put a McDonald's gift card in here. On the side I have some candy. Right, put some candies in here. And then you can close it by right here. And close it again, there's a little slit. And done. So again, great gift cards for children, for coworkers. It's not too big, it's adorable. And then you can just open it up and get your candies. And then of course, your gift card. Very cute. Now, I love purses, right? So here is another purse. I stamped this out, the pattern to capture Christmas, right? I do sell different patterns, of course, or different versions of these purses with different trims. This one's just happens to be Christmas shimmer, right? For a little special occasion. Has a self-latching. Here's the latch. You pull it down and you open it up. And again, more room for cards, candies, lip balms, anything cute and small that you want to give in a different way. So, lots of room. And again, the latching, right? Pull down and it latches, no problem. Very cute. Actually, this is one of my top sellers on Etsy. I just, especially during Christmas, I actually have orders to make today to complete my order. But very sturdy, 110-pound cardstock, and just beautiful trim on it. Definitely a cute way to give a gift card. This one is very cute, I think, as well. It's got its own little handle, gem brads, right, that I've attached to for sturdiness and so on and so forth, but for cuteness, of course. And then just the bag itself. It's got a sliding mechanism here, so no Velcro needed or magnets, right? It just slides up and down like so. And then to open it, you slide it down and just open it up. Here you open it up. Again, plenty of room for lots of gift cards and then some, right? This one's a bigger purse, so you can see the 8 gift cards there, and then room for a lot of things in here. This is starting to gain some traction on my Etsy shop, so I truly do enjoy making them. Just think it's very, very cute to make and give. And then my latest and greatest purses are the Anna Griffin. This is the Iconic purse, and this is the Status purse. So again, I did cut and alter the sides just so I can open it up and put its stuff in there comfortably without having to fight with it. Fits 8 cards and then some more room, right? More stuff in here, and just very pretty. This is clearly shimmery, as you can see on the camera. Everything is shimmery, right? Love it. And then if you are foiled and then you flip it over, exact same design. The buckle I did change color just so it pops out from the red, and then of course the red and green. Very Christmassy. And this one I did show you the Status one. My husband thinks it's more of a Chinese color, and I thought, yeah, I guess you're right. But yes, gold shimmer or glitter paper, and front and back same. Again, alter the sides and fits the same amount of cards and more. And the last one is this one here. I don't know if you can see, but the Christmas trees are foiled. Right, there you go. So that's cute. And then of course, this is glitter green paper, and a cute little tag. And I matched to make the buckle pop out, I matched it with the main paper just to give some contrast. And I flip it around. No tag on this side because this would be the back side, but same pattern throughout. So hopefully I've given you guys some idea on how to present your normal gift cards like these, individual or multiple, throughout the year, not just for Christmas, and just present it in a way where it's just cute. You know, they're just going to remember how they received that present that year, and just, oh my goodness, I got it in a cute little bag or a clutch or a little suitcase. I mean, come on. That's got to be adorable, right? But these are just some of the things that I create throughout the year. I do sell them on Etsy, and I definitely sell on craft fairs as well. These are attention getters during the craft fair. I tend to get a bunch of ladies wanting to check it out and have a feel, and just to see, you know, and to make sure that this is what they want and they're looking for. Thank you for taking the time to watching my video, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.